This ordinary-looking, large-scale van will be going to select locations across Niagara Falls, selling fresh produce, groceries, and essentials.
It is hard sometimes to get out and get fresh produce at a reasonable price. Everything is very expensive nowadays, and they have a lot of fresh fruit and all kinds of other stuff for cheaper prices than going to a grocery store.
GROW is a community-focused model aimed at addressing some of the long-term food challenges low-income residents and persons with disabilities face.
Grow was kind of started a few years, what is it, 4 or 5 years now? Dr. Pam Farrell started it with the intention to help low-income families because there's so many food deserts in Niagara. So we started on 4th Avenue, and it was so exceptionally received that we're now growing as Grow on the Go.
GROW reached out to Moncton, New Brunswick's social enterprise, the Farmer's Truck, which began in 2015 to help launch their local market here in Niagara.
We work with nonprofits from coast to coast, whether they're in Brooklyn, New York, an urban farm in Detroit, or a food bank in Louisiana. They all have different challenges, but it all boils down to the same thing, is access. So how do you increase access to fresh food? How do you make communities healthier? And it's a problem that's all across North America. Pam reached out about almost 3 years ago about her project to do a mobile market. She had the literacy center as what she had in mind, right? The store that she has now. But she saw that, bringing people there, the transportation was a challenge, and she's like, maybe we should go mobile. And so she reached out. We do mobile markets. We helped her with the design. We helped her kind of think about her program, how impactful it could be.
The market gained some traction with a few large-scale donors, the Branscombe Family Foundation, and the Rotary Club of Niagara Falls.
We were approached a while back with the program for GROW to make donations for food to their food market that they have on 4th Avenue. And then it turned out that they were going to be going more and more and more into things that were going to provide for people outside of that area who weren't able to go. And it was very appealing to us because we're very big on donating to local causes, and in particular toward children. So this feeds a lot of different people of different ages, but a lot of families, and it's also a chance for us to be able to support the broader community, not just a very specific cause, but a whole lot of different places, people in different places.
The support didn't stop there. GROW also received a grant from the Public Health Agency of Canada through their Healthy Canadians and Community Fund to support some of the operating costs.
It's a new electric vehicle, the first electric mobile market in Canada, and we're really excited to be taking it out. So we got it retrofitted to have doors on the sides so that it looks like, a really nice farmer's market truck or a food truck where people can come and shop every week. We're headed out to up to 10 locations throughout the Niagara region. So we're working with our partners and Niagara Region Public Health to determine where those locations will be, but we're really targeting low-income neighborhoods as well as areas where there's a lot of food insecurity. We really want food to be accessible and affordable for people, so that's our priority in choosing locations.
There's no reason to be concerned about going to get good food. It's not the same kind of thing as going to a food bank where it's often prepackaged food. Cereals and canned food and things like that. Those are necessary as well, but people need fresh fruit to be able to manage, and so there's no shame in coming out to something like this to be able to say, I'd like some help, please, can you do something for me? And the difference is, it's not a giveaway. People pay for the food. It's severely discounted. It's like a banana for 10 cents kind of a thing, but it's a very, everybody stays whole. They keep their dignity. It allows the food to go to the people that need it where they are, as opposed to them having to go someplace to try and get it. They don't have access to transportation lots of times. If they do, then carrying home a bag of groceries from someplace to someplace else, like a mile away, is no easy feat. And so we would love to see more than one vehicle on the road, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'd be happy to work toward that.
In Niagara Falls, for The Source, I'm Anthony Luongo.